Mom, you're single? I love how you extra single. You're like, yes! Let me ask you, where do you go to find dates? How do you do that?
I tried using apps first.
Okay, so there is a Muslim app. You're on a Muslim app?
Moose and Muslim.
Moose? Wait a minute. There is a Muslim app called Moose? I go like this. Muhammad, 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 Muhammad. Mahmoud. Muhammad, 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 Muhammad. Ali. I will find you an amazing husband tonight, okay? You're not in a rush. You're enjoying your freedom. Habibti, that's haram. I know, but I love you. I want to make sure we're on the same page. How much freedom, how many times?